classy, independent. She got her own, she never steer you wrong. If you're trying to get right, little mama's your type. You know she got a lifestyle, right? Yeah.
Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. In today's video I'll be showing you guys some DIY projects that I did throughout the home. This is one of the walls, and then this is the other that I had created in one of the master bedrooms, and here is another area in the home that I had DIY'd. Everything was pretty much all white, but you guys will see that in the videos. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys actually think of it, and if you want more of my DIY projects. If you like today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Next, I'm going to show you guys what I did to my hallway. It was just too simple. Everything was just white, like I said, and then I turned it into this. This is how it turned out. You guys have to let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of it. This is the last DIY project that I'm going to be showing you guys. This entire wall was white before, and I turned it into this. I got all of the wood from Home Depot. I just gave them my measurements, and then they had just cut it there for me. And here you just see me putting them all on the wall. At first you will also see me just using the glue to put them on the wall, and then I switched and just used my nail gun because I figured I didn't need all that glue on the wall. was done putting them all on the wall, I decided to paint it. I did lose that footage of me painting, but this is how it turned out. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of my DIY projects, and if you guys would like to see more of the stuff that I did in the home, I will make sure to upload that for you guys. Please don't forget to like this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys.
Classy, independent. She got her own, she never steer you wrong. If you're tryna get right, little mama's your type. You know she got a lifestyle, right? Yeah. You know she got a son. The power of a single mom. What a timeline is so bum. You wanna comment? Yeah, a pretty woman. She's Tiffanieray. You can be a berry. Can be just Tiffanieray, no need for commentary. You're gonna